In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the amount of time skipped when you double tap the side of a video on the YouTube app on your phone. So what you want to do is load up the YouTube app and then tap on your profile icon. Mine is located in the bottom right. And then tap on the settings gear icon. And then what you want to do is scroll down to where it says Playback options. And you'll now see an option for double tap to seek. Now, if you're using an iPad or an iPhone, it might say skip forward and back. Tap on this and we can choose our increments. So you can choose between 5 to 60 seconds. I'm going to change this from 20 seconds to 15 seconds. And that's basically it.